This is a 2-minute tutorial on how to save clips to our ultrasound machine in the emergency center. First, you need to turn on the machine. If you look at the bottom left-hand corner of the Zonare console or tower, you'll see the on button that's circled there in red. It takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the machine to turn on, but then you press this button here that says New Patient on the keyboard. You then want to fill out the patient's last name and the patient ID number. Whether or not you want to include zeros really doesn't matter. And then the key part I'd like you to do is to fill out the operator form, which would be your last name. I want you to do this so that we can evaluate all your ultrasound images, and I can then review the chart to see which ultrasound corresponds to which patient. You then want to put your last name, as I said. If I were doing the ultrasound, it'd be Glazier. You then select your transducer. We have two options. You press on the upper right hand corner, there's a little curvilinear probe picture. That's the transducer option. You press that, and then the ultrasound will ask you to select a transducer. Here we only have two. We have a curvilinear probe and we have a linear probe. Hopefully we'll have three at some point. But for now, you want to select the linear probe if you have an abscess, if you are doing a central line, and you use the curvilinear probe for either abdominal stuff or an echo. The echo is a little bit challenged since it's not a phased array, it's more of a curvilinear probe, but it can be done in certain situations. After this, it's important that you store the images. You see right at the middle of the machine there is a little floppy disk that you would press to allow it to save the images. You save for 6 seconds and then it gets stored to the hard drive. Please don't feel shy about storing lots of images. The more you do, the more I can review. So hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.